Hello everyone, it is me, Leon, and I'm back again with 2 new destinations because I ran out of trains. And let's go see them. Blue Mountain Quarry coal loader and the crane that came with the Tomy Blue Mountain Koi set inside that one. So start off with the crane. It's like any other normal crane, but this part is plastic up here. You got this knob that controls it to go up and down. How this toy will work is, I wish it uncoupled itself. If you're making stop motion animation remakes like I do this, for example. So as you can see that, if you know how to make that. And Tom's just away with it. Blue Mountain Quarry coal loader. The majority of this is plastic. Licensing stuff. And some of this plastic blue coal. And they're making triangular nowadays for some weird reason. You pop that guy in there. And Thomas and Percy don't come with this set. I mean, the battery operated Thomas doesn't. And Percy doesn't. It's just an average Thomas and Rheneas and this coal truck. And that's the set I made. That set is the episodes I made with Connor's Rival and Caitlin the Speedy. You pull this knob at the back, and there the coal goes into Percy's loader. And you can also send engines under there, if I forgot to mention that about the crane. So you got 2 good, cool things called destinations. So, and I hope you like this video. Bye. Well, the only fail reel I have is, really, I mean, I don't have any ideas for a fail reel, but here's one done by Thomas. Spiders. They do so much. Spider, what are you doing?